What's up guys, and welcome back to another video sponsored by Elegance, and we are going to continue with the Butterblings. So let's just get started. We are starting out with a finished filed set of nails, and we're gonna apply everything on top of that. I'm gonna start out with Sapphire, this amazing blue shimmer that makes you just want to dive into it. And as you can see here, I'm just applying that straight on top of the finished filed nail. Right now I am actually applying a very thin layer, and then I go in and then I do another layer, and that's just because I feel like I can get it more smooth on top of the nail and also get the full effect of it. So right here I'm going in with black tie buttercream. I'm just creating like this little ombre fade effect, and that is gonna work as a base for the next butter bling, and that is just because I want to get the full effect of the black opal. So, and I want to have that ombre fade effect. So by using the black as base, you can get a little bit more out of it. It's gonna show a little bit better. So just going in with this black opal, starting from the cuticles and fading it downwards, and yeah, it's just as simple as that. I really love this effect because you get that super cool ombre, but it's really just layers on top of layers, so it's really easy. Now we're just going to continue with the jade, the fantastic green shade. So here I'm just going in and applying that on the tip of the nails, and very thin. And here I'm actually going in with a second layer, so I am slowly building it up to get that really smooth ombre effect. So now, because we did a lot of layers, it is best to actually go in and buff this before you move on to the nail art. Here I'm using the white gel paint together with the swirly nail art brush from my brush kit, and we're gonna start painting a moon. And what I'm doing right now is that I'm creating the structure or texture, non-texture but structure of the moon. And here I am going in and creating the sun shape on the other hand. So I'm just doing the opposite on the finger right next to that. Here I am creating, you know, the moon cycle. So as you can see here, I'm starting with the full moon, I'm going to the half moons, and so on and so on. So I basically start out with the shapes, and then I come in with a little bit of cleanser on my swirly brush and start to pull that gel paint out and start to fade it. And I'm using, as you can see here, a wipe. I'm using my gloves just to get that cool faded effect of it. And just adding a little bit of details here to the sun shape, and you can see on the other finger that I was doing the other half. So this is actually my client's zodiac sign, Aquarius. And finishing off the design with some stars, of course, and I'm doing that on all the nails. Last but not least, we are of course going to apply this super shiny to make this super sparkly and shimmery. And I just love the new brush for the super shiny. By the way, you can see how wide and kind of flat and fluffy it is. It is really so much fun to work with, actually. And here you got the final result. This client right here is actually obsessed with this effect. This is the second time I've done the exact same background, but this time of course we changed up the nail artwork a little bit. And I just have to mention real quick, don't be scared of the pricing. Just add a little bit to the service, because your clients are not gonna hesitate 1 second. My clients love this so much, and they would pay so much extra just to have it. These Butterblings are of course available now at lightelegance.com or with our distributors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!